What's up, everybody? Chris from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and I just got a mail call. So I'm sitting here on Saturday, the doorbell rings, and on the doorstep was a box from GearAmerica. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Okay, so here we go. So I cut the tape on the box, but haven't looked inside yet. Let's pop it open, see what we've got. All right, we've got a GearAmerica trucker cap, which my wife will love because she says my old G-pad is too dirty. Got GearAmerica t-shirt, so when I'm doing videos for them, I can actually look the part. And then, whoa, that's a heavy box. Then we've got a box at the bottom. And it is the black and orange GearAmerica box. Pop it open. And I think most of you know this, but every time you buy something from GearAmerica, they give 10% to St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, which is absolutely amazing. So they put this little placard inside every box saying thank you, which is really neat. So we've got their little brochure here, a little bit of protective rubber, and then underneath we've got one of their heavy-duty shackle receivers, if I can get the bubble wrap off, with a Mega Shackle on it. So this guy here, D-ring shackle that goes in your receiver hitch for your car, truck, SUV, Jeep, and it has a Mega Shackle built onto it. All right, let's get it out of here. So there is the shackle receiver block. Got a nice hitch pin with it. All right, so here she is. So the receiver end here is solid aluminum. It is cross drilled, so you can install it either way into your 2-inch receiver. It does have the Mega Shackle built onto it, and it does have the polyurethane grommets on either side, so it's not going to bang or clang when it's on your vehicle. It does come with a nice hitch pin with a kind of a rubberized handle on it, with the matching cotter pin with the rubberized handle on it. Now this has an 11-ton capacity. That's 22,000 pounds. I don't know about you, but my Jeep doesn't weigh 22,000 pounds, so it's going to have to get extra stuck or pull on something extra hard to use that kind of capacity. You know what? Let's go get this sucker put on. Okay, so we've got the heavy-duty receiver shackle holder from GearAmerica with the Mega Shackle on it. And we're going to go ahead and put this guy on. So you do have two different options because it is cross-drilled on this big, thick aluminum shackle receiver. I'm going the standard way like this. Fits in any standard 2-inch receiver. Matches my orange GearAmerica shackles in the back. Grab my hitch pin. Slide that in. I like the rubber handle on it. Makes it really easy. We've got the cotter pin. Pop that guy on. And it's that simple. So there we go. It's installed on the Bold Canyon Outdoors Adventure Jeep. That is the heavy-duty receiver shackle holder with the Mega Shackle on it from GearAmerica. So that's it. That's the heavy-duty shackle receiver with the Mega Shackle from GearAmerica. Hope you enjoyed this. Do me a favor. Take a look down below. I'm going to put a link to GearAmerica with a discount code so you can get one of these for a good deal. So that's it for now, everybody. For GearAmerica and Bold Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.